Organizing your rakes, shovels, and gardening supplies has never been this easy. A Lifetime storage shed is the perfect solution for your storage needs. The 8x10 foot shed from Lifetime Products gives you that extra space necessary to keep your backyard and garage looking good. The spacious 71 square foot interior and heavy-duty construction makes it perfect to store all sorts of outdoor supplies. The shed includes one shatterproof window that opens and locks closed, 4 skylights, and 2 screened vents. To help organize the interior, it also comes with one 90 by 9 inch shelf, 2 30 by 10 inch shelves, 2 corner shelves, and 2 16-inch peg strips with hooks. A battery-operated touch light is also included to help illuminate the interior of your shed. The steel reinforced doors create a 4.5 by 6 foot high opening. Our sheds are specifically designed to have more headroom through the entrance than any other sheds on the market. And with our lockable doors and internal latching mechanism, your items will be safe and secure. All Lifetime storage sheds are expandable with 30-inch expansion kits. They also have additional shelves and accessories available for purchase, allowing you to get creative with the interior of your shed and customize it to fit your needs. The Lifetime 8x10 shed is proudly made in the USA and is constructed of UV-resistant, high-density polyethylene. Our sheds are low maintenance and will not warp, crack, chip, or peel. All roof, wall, and floor panels are stain-resistant and easy to clean. The UV inhibitors make Lifetime sheds resistant to heat and extended exposure to harmful UV rays. So put away your buckets of stain and paint. You will never need to repaint or varnish a Lifetime storage shed. Lifetime sheds use blow molding technology, which allows the walls, roof, and floor to be double-walled for added strength and durability. Many companies only use injection molding, which gives weak single-wall construction. Our double-walled sheds also have heavy-duty steel reinforcements to ensure superior strength and durability, making Lifetime sheds stronger than any others on the market. With an 1,800-pound total snow load capacity, the high-pitched steel reinforced roof allows for quick drainage of rain and snow. It also provides a 6-foot, 8-inch interior height from floor to truss, making it easy to walk around, stack boxes, and store pretty much anything. Lifetime sheds are not only built for strength and durability, they also have an attractive appearance and design to accent the beauty of your backyard. So let a Lifetime shed be your gardening and storage solution. With its durability and good looks, it will be the envy of your neighborhood.